trouble. Okay. So let's look at what an element stiffness matrix would look like for a triangle. And for this triangle, I'm going to use that local node numbering scheme again. Or rather, a local coordinate system. So this is X bar, this is Y bar. And now I have A and B. So there's going to be a right, we're going to specialize this to a right triangle to make our integration easier. And we'll do that for the equation just the Laplacian. Okay, so actually, I'm just going to point out, because we're going to have to integrate this thing. We're going to integrate in the y direction from, here to this line. What's that? What's the equation of that line in the local coordinate system? The equation of this line would be y bar equals to b minus b over a x bar, right? That's the equation of this line in the local coordinate system, x bar, y bar. So we'll use that in just a second. All right, so let's go back here. And I'm just gonna, since we already had this here, if I change it, I can develop the shape functions really quickly by just changing where the elements are evaluated, right? So this was at 0, 0. The second node was at A, 0. And the third node is at 0, B, right? And so then my element shape functions are that's the 3 element shape functions, okay, in the local coordinate system. And so then our B matrix is going to be the derivative of the shape functions with respect to x, the derivative of each shape function with respect to y, and the shape functions. Right? So that's my B matrix. My C matrix is, in this case, it's just A11, 0, 0. 0, A22, 0, and 0, 0, 0. Okay. So then I have my element stiffness matrix is going to be the integral it'll be a double integral, right? Oh gosh, what happened? Be the integral There we go. All right, so in the integrand, it'll be B transpose C B, and we're going to integrate over y, the first integral, and it's going to go from 0 to b minus b over a x, and then the other integral will be over x, and that just goes from 0 to a. So there's our element stiffness matrix. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down.